Did you make that just now? You had to make your own birthday cake.
I did it.
Oh, you did it? Oh, cool. Yeah, you did good, Ellen.
She said,
We decorated.
she said it's a 9-year-old cake.
A 9-year-old cake? How is it a 9-year-old cake?
Because it's like so bright.
Hello you guys. Good afternoon. So right now we're in the kitchen. So my daughter going to make a red velvet cake for me. So she's going to follow the direction at the back, and I will tell her a little bit what to do. So yan, pakita ko sa inyo. Going to start here.
I have to put it.
Bake to
I know. This is over here.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, water. I got mom.
Okay. Then 3 eggs. Ooh.
It smells good already.
Okay. Then you spread this one. All over. Okay. Wait. It smells good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But hey,
That's enough. And then you can put the one.
but it's still pretty.
That's okay. In the oven. Do not touch.
5, 4, 3, 2. Oh no.
Oh no. Can you put that one back?
Finally, she's scratching with that.
Ah.
What the heck? It's so flat.
It's too flat.
I was expecting it to be more taller.
What are you expecting?
Taller?
Okay. Can you put the one back?
Oh, I ate too. It was good. Whoa. Where did that come?
In the...
Did you make that just now? You had to make your own birthday cake.
No, I did it.
Oh, you did it? Oh, cool. Now you did good, Alan.
She said...
We decorated.
She said it's a 9-year-old cake.
A 9-year-old cake? How is it a 9-year-old cake?
Because it's like so bright. I think.
Oh.
I would have wanted that.
Yeah, I like how you frosted the plate too. Is it make a light? Oh, here. Let me show you a little trick. You see that little arrow there that says pull? You have to pull that out.
Oh, no!
And then
Well, that goes with the cake.
you can put it on top.
Oh my god, I have 9-year-old cake. 9-year-old cake.
Wait, let's turn the lights down.
This is a Barbie cake.
Wow, it doesn't look the same on the camera.
Mm-hmm.
It's flashing too fast.
Looks like it's going slow.
Yeah, I know.
Looks more pretty. That's so...
Okay, y'all wanna cake? That's pretty when it's light.
Yeah, let's see what happens here.
Okay, y'all gonna eat.
How about you? This...
Hey babe, can you take me a picture?
Yeah.
There, man. Wait.
We'll have some kind of bread.
What kind of bird you're?
Huh?
What kind of bird?
Order.
We're going to have 3 cobblers and
This sure doesn't look like as much as 4 pounds we got left.
inland boys.
Okay, y'all can start. I'm gonna get some more butter.
Okay.